is the ingredients for our donut. 1 cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 cup of warm water, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil, then 1 teaspoon of yeast. Then I chopped 1/2 cup of chocolate, dark chocolate, and 1 cup of whipping cream. And of course, you could put 1/4 teaspoon of salt. In the separate bowl, you just add the all-purpose flour, sugar, cocoa powder, and a pinch of salt, and of course 1 teaspoon of active yeast. So just put and mix this together, all the dry ingredients in the bowl. Mix it so it's all combined. Then after it's all combined, then add your warm water slowly. Half of the warm water just add in after you mix it together for 30 seconds. Then you add your other half remaining of warm water. So you need to mix this to make a dough. Mix it all together, mix it well. Then once you mix it well, then you need to prepare for warm towel that you need to cover for a dough, and you need to set this for 1 hour. So by the way, before that 1 hour, you add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then it will not stick, so it makes the dough smooth also. So mix it together, mix well. Then so it's all look like this. So you need to transfer your dough to a small bowl so that it's easy for you to cover with cling wrap. So you will set this for 1 hour. Put in the bowl and put a little olive oil on the side of the dough, like that, so that it will not stick like that. Then cover with a clean cellophane. So after 1 hour, so you can knead the dough for 2 to 3 minutes. Put some flour or cornstarch on your board so it will not stick. So just knead it for 2 to 3 minutes, and then using your rolling pin, then you can roll it and make a form of the donut. it is so sticky, let's add more, flour or cornstarch so that it won't stick. So it's look like this when it's done, smooth and fluffy. Then you need to make sure that you need for like enough thick for making a donut. So you divide this dough for how many donuts you want. So using this donut cutter, you need to make sure that it will not stick. So just divide it, this one, until you can get enough for the donut you want. And the meaning of this one, once you got it, this one, you can still make another donuts. Yeah. So just leave it again and you divide it. How many pieces of donut you can get from the remaining dough. Make sure it's really cut through, so when you remove the remaining dough, it will not stick. So it's well cut. So once you get those one, get a pan and put all your donut there. Then try to find a clean towel with hot water. Squeeze it so it's make sure that no water there. Then cover it. Cover this donut inside the pan for 15 minutes so it will grow more. Then for 15 minutes, you just reheat olive oil on the frying pan. Deep fry for this one. This is the dough is not really thick, it's not really thin, so it's very nice. So then you can start frying your donut once the oil is hot. make a little bit hot so that when you mix on the chocolate, the one that is dark chocolate, so you can easy melt the chocolate here. Then this is your dip sauce for the donut. So it's like this. So you just prepare water in this one so that it's all drained the excess syrup.